Hi, my name is Mama Aklim Anwar. My metric number is 223-500. I'm a cell and molecular biology student from Faculty of Biotechnology in UPM. And this is Pecha Kucha project. Let's adopt a microbe. So let's Pecha Kucha. Plastics are now ruling the world. Mass production of plastics makes them hard to dispose. And this is what's happening in our only livable planet. Not only they affect humans, but so does the creatures in the ocean, as it is the final destination of plastics. The news shows that over 400 million tons of plastic are produced every year for use in a wide variety of applications. Plastic pollution threatens food safety and quality, human health, coastal tourism, and contributes to climate change. Not only they affect humans, but so does the creatures in the ocean, as it is the final destination of plastics, which is in the ocean. This is what the researchers have found and explored the impact of microplastic in goldfish. But gratefully, there is a microbe that can prevent these issues from happening. And also, at the same time, it can contribute itself in sustainable development goals, as we want to preserve our world that we love and we want to live a long life. Ideonella Sakaiensis species nova is a bacterium that can prevent the issues in the previous slide and help to reduce the plastic pollution. Are you guys ready to know more about this bacteria? So let's dive in. Sakaiensis is a bacterium that the phylum of Pseudomonadota and a class of beta proteobacteria in order of Burkholderia in the family of Comammonadaceae and the genus of Ideonella, and its species is Ideonella Sakaiensis. Ideonella Sakaiensis is a gram-negative bacterium and also aerobic bacterium. Its size varies from 0.6 to 0.8 micrometer in width and 1.2 until 1.5 micrometer in length. This bacterium doesn't form any spores, and it is rod-shaped bacterium that has a polar flagellum allowing for motility, so it can move anywhere with the right medium, such as fluids and etc. Let's move on into metabolism of Ideonella Sakaiensis. It can break down and metabolize polyethylene terephthalate, producing hydrolytic enzyme to convert PET into monomeric compounds, including terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. So, for the nutrition of Ideonella Sakaiensis, it uses polyethylene terephthalate as both its carbon and energy source by hydrolyzing the polyethylene terephthalate. This bacterium grows best at 30 to 37 degrees Celsius in 7 until 7.5 pH, and also it can survive between 15 degrees Celsius and 42 degrees Celsius in 5.5 and 9 pH. 2016, this bacterium was isolated in Sakai City in Japan. It has significant implication for plastic waste management and environmental system. The bacterium produces hydrolytic enzyme that break down PET into its monomeric compound and be used as building blocks for new PET synthesis. This bacterium have contributed itself in SDGs. As example, for the 6 is to get clean water and sanitation. The bacterium can reduce the numbers of plastics that have been polluted the ocean. Also, not to mention, can reduce the microplastic. And for the next SDGs, this bacterium can contribute itself in the 12th, which is responsible consumption and production. The factory that produce mass product of plastic can be aware of this bacteria to be used in in their factory. And also this bacterium can contribute itself in the 14 SDGs as it lives below water. As we all know, the creatures in the ocean are suffering from microplastic pollution, and Ideonella Sakaiensis is the answer. Lastly, not to mention, this bacterium can contribute itself in the 15 of SDGs, which is life on land. Humans and land animals may not realize that we are being polluted with microplastic. Let's be aware. And lastly, for conclusion, this bacterium can contribute in sustainable development goals. It gives a lot of advantage to us, to all living creatures. With the help of this bacterium, we can live happily and healthily. To mention, I'm very thankful to these 4 references that I have been used to successfully done my Pecha Kucha project. These 4 references have given me a lot of details and additional information that I needed to put in my Pecha Kucha slide. So thank you guys for listening and watching my video. Hopefully this Pecha Kucha video can gain you some knowledge and additional information. And also, let's contribute ourselves in sustainable development goals with a happy life.